So, do you want to offer your products in different sizes or colors? Or maybe let customers add some custom details? Well, if that's the case, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to walk through how to use both product options and modifiers. This is going to let you give your customers so much more choice. So let's jump right in. Okay, first things first. It's really important to get the difference between options and modifiers. Honestly, picking the right tool for the job right from the get-go is going to save you a ton of time later on. So here's the main difference, and it's pretty simple when you break it down. You're going to want to use product options for things you need to track inventory for. Think sizes, colors, anything where you have a specific stock count for that version. This is also how you can set different prices, SKUs, or even shipping weights for each one. Now, on the flip side, you've got modifiers. These are for those extra customizations that don't need their own inventory, like adding custom embroidery or a gift message. The key thing to remember with modifiers, though, is that they don't let you change the price. Okay, so here we are on the main site dashboard. The first thing we're going to do is go over to the menu on the left and click on Products. From here, we'll just find the product we want to edit. And for this example, we're going to use this hat. Let's start by adding some product options. Once you're on the product page, just scroll down a bit until you see the Product Options section. We'll go ahead and click Plus Add Option. For our first one, let's call it Size. And then for the choices, we'll just type in Small and Large. Great! Now let's add another one. We'll click that button again, and this time we'll name it Color. And you'll notice that Wix automatically sets the field type to color swatches, which is the only choice here. Pretty neat. Let's add mint green and matte black and pick a nice shade. And then once you've got everything looking good, just hit Add. Okay, so now that we've added those product options for size and color, Wix has automatically created something called variants for every possible combination. Let's take a look at how you can manage all of those. You'll now see a button that says Edit Variants. Let's click on that. And this opens up a new panel. You can see here that every single row is a unique combination of the options we created. And this right here is really the power of using product options. See how for each specific variant, you can adjust its price, give it a totally unique SKU, track its inventory separately, and even set a different shipping weight? It gives you so much control. And here's a really powerful tip for managing them. Within this variants table, you can use the Customize button. This is awesome because it lets you add or move columns so you can see all the information that really matters for your business. Okay, now what if we want to add that extra little custom touch? That's where modifiers come in. If you scroll just a little further down the page, you'll see the modifiers section. Let's go ahead and click Plus Add Modifier. For this example, let's say we want to offer custom embroidery. So we'll name it that, and for the field type, we'll choose text box. This is what lets your customers type in their own custom message. And check this out, you can even make it a required field or set a character limit so the text doesn't get, too long. When you're all set, just click Add. So let's bring it all together. Just remember this one simple rule. If the variation needs its own inventory count or a unique price, it has to be a product option. If it's just a simple customization on top of an item you already have in stock, a modifier is the way to go. That's it. For more info, tips, guidance, FAQs, and troubleshooting, check out the Help Center and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.